and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. With summer right around the corner, I thought it'd be a great idea to start really working out and starting to look my absolute best for summer, because that is the goal. I'm trying to have my stomach on flat, booty on fleek. I'm just trying to look my absolute best for summer. And so I found this really cool workout plan. It's for 7 days. It has about 8 workouts or so. You do an intense workout before bed. Looks like it will really whip your body into shape, and that's what I'm looking for. So if you're anything like me and trying to do the same thing, trying to have body goals all summer 2019, please keep watching, because I will be doing this 7-day challenge. I'll be showing you guys my before and after pictures. I'll be showing you guys my results and how everything turned out. So if you are interested and would like to try this app challenge with me, go ahead and keep watching, and hell, might as well do the workouts with me, because we trying to look cute this summer, okay? So before we start, just make sure with every exercise you do, you just really engage your core. Make sure you squeeze it really tight. Just make sure you're activating those muscles in there in your core. So for the first exercise, it is called knees to elbows, and you're gonna do this exercise for 30 seconds. Next exercise is flutter kicks, and make sure you're taking little to no breaks in between, and you're gonna do this exercise for another 30 seconds. The next exercise we'll be doing is called scissors. Do that for another 30 seconds. The next exercise we'll be doing is hip thrusters, and we're gonna do this for a full 60 seconds. Let's go. Whew. The next exercise we'll be doing is called reverse crunches, and I prefer to do my crunches holding up something very strong and sturdy and just lifting up my legs. And we're gonna do this for 30 seconds. Let's go. Next exercise we'll be doing is called sitting twist. We'll do this for another 30 seconds. The next 3 exercises are just planks. We're gonna do 2 side planks and then a middle side plank. We're just gonna hold that for 40 seconds at each spot. So let's go ahead and get started. With your side plank, make sure your leg that's on top is over your leg that's in the back. Just overlap the two. So that was my day workout. You can do that in the morning, afternoon, before you go to bed. It's up to you. But also before I go to bed, I like to do 200 crunches, just, you know, do a little something extra to my body. I am sweating, got my heart pumping a little bit, but we're having body goals all 2019 summer. So I'm all here for this workout plan. If you're doing it with me, please let me know how it goes for you. If you're doing a challenge like this or anything like this, please let me know. I would love to know. But yeah, this was my day workout. I will be doing my 200 crunches before bed.
When he leave you, he gon' test you. And I'ma ask him what that mama do. I can't help it that I'm his sex. Can you pursue him? It's the type that ain't gon' never love you back. Yeah, he love what you do for him. None of that. See, he know I ain't having none of that. And I won't ever be his wife. But you ain't got no whenever choice. You get out your feelings, babe, you might wanna do it just like me. Talking that shit, but babe, must I remind you? I am that bitch, I will pull up and find you. Everything got my name on it. Ring finger got his ring on it. Don't nothing in the daylight. Do you know what the nigga really look like? No, I don't care. I thought you were winning some now. Sonny, you bitch, you.
Well, everybody, that's it for this 7-day challenge. I did the full 7 days, and I honestly think this was a really good ab challenge. As you can tell, you can start seeing results from like day 1 onto day 2. I saw immediate results. Yes, my abs were a little bit sore, and you will feel sore throughout these 7 days, especially if you do not work out on the daily. I basically work out on the daily and I was still sore, but that's not a targeted area like throughout my workout. So I feel like that's another reason why my abs and my core was, you know, a little bit on the sore side. So honestly, truly, this was a great workout to whip your body in shape right before, you know, you got somewhere to be, you got a vacation, you got somewhere, you know, you about to be showing your abs, or maybe if you just want to personally look good, this is a great workout for you. Like I said, this is it was a challenge I found, and I really liked it. If y'all have the same goals in mind, if y'all trying to whip your body in shape, I do highly recommend this workout. It was a great workout plan. Got me, you know, a little 6-pack forming, and you know, I just felt really good about this whole 7-day process. So if you liked it, go ahead and give it a try. Let me know what you think about the workout. Now I'm thinking about doing a leg transformation, maybe a booty transformation, doing some squats, you know, some leg workouts, some booty workouts, just, you know, fully whip my body into shape. But if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up. Let me know if it works for you, if you tried it with me. Also, let me know if you have some tips or pointers. If you would like me to go ahead and do the leg day challenge or the squat, maybe a squat challenge, please let me know, because I would love to do it. I'm trying to get summer ready, trying to get my summer body, you know, just smacking, popping, and on fleek. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next vid. Peace.